The ROCCAT Magma silent membrane keyboard definitely lives up to its name. Typing on this thing is remarkably quiet thanks to the rubber dome keys. They have a satisfyingly responsive feel, and despite the quietness, they don't feel mushy. If you're sharing a workspace or gaming late at night, this silent operation is a huge plus. The build quality feels solid, and the detachable palm rest adds a nice touch of comfort for longer sessions. You can adjust it to suit your preferred typing or gaming style. The low-maintenance design is also appreciated. The sealed surface between the membrane layer and the translucent top plate should keep dust and debris out, making cleaning a breeze. One of the standout features is the 5-zone IMA RGB lighting. It illuminates the entire top plate with vibrant, customizable colors. The lighting effects are smooth and eye-catching, and the integration with ROCCAT's IMO ecosystem means it can synchronize with other compatible devices for a unified setup. While the lighting is impressive, it's worth noting that it's zone-based and not per key RGB. Gamers will appreciate the advanced anti-ghosting technology, ensuring your keystrokes register even during intense gameplay. ROCCAT's Easy Shift Plus technology is another handy feature, allowing you to assign secondary functions to keys for increased control. While this keyboard uses membrane switches, which might not be everyone's preference, the Magma Silent offers a compelling option for those seeking a quiet and comfortable typing experience without sacrificing gaming performance. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a quieter keyboard with a splash of color. The combination of silent operation, comfortable design, and vibrant lighting makes the ROCCAT Magma Silent a worthy contender in the membrane keyboard market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.